What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, The Grooming Show, and today I want to talk about Versace Dylan Blue. Let's go. So, guys, first I want to unbox the perfume, but I just want to show the presentation of the box. This is a 1.7 ounce bottle, and it costs me roughly like $40. And let's talk about the perfume. So when you open the perfume, when you spray it, uh, you get a smell of some woody, aromatic, some citrusy kind of a smell in initially the first 30 minutes. And when it dries down, you get the incense, the tonka bean, the patchouli. Patchouli has musky smell, some earthy, some natural smell. And when I smell it, I find some hint of Dior Sauvage in this one. But it's a really good perfume, I must say. You do get compliments for this. But yeah, I mean, it's not unique. Some of you guys must have found it familiar with Dior Sauvage. And the notes are also just similar, the spiciness of Dior Sauvage. You find it here. So the notes breakdown are this: when you open it, the top notes you get bergamot, you get some aquatic notes, you get some grapefruit, some fig leaf. It goes into the heart of the perfume, there is some ambroxan, some patchouli, some black pepper, some violet leaf and papyrus. And when it dries down, you get that incense, the tonka bean, the saffron also. uh, I don't smell the saffron when it dries down, but yeah, it does have some saffron. So, what do I think of this perfume? People say it lasts long, but for me, it just, I don't know if it's my batch of the perfume, but for me, it just lasted like 5 to 6 hours maximum, and the projection is not too good. Maybe for the first 1 or 2 hours, people will get a hint of it, but it dries down after that, and after that only you can smell it. But what you get for the price, uh, this perfume is very gorgeous. I mean, I like a fresh smell. Everybody likes a fresh smell on you. So in this one you get, those, the bergamot really shines, the grapefruit, uh, the peppery, the patchouli is very strong, and also I feel the muskiness in it is very good. So uh, so the presentation of this bottle is very good, but I wish this could be more like the Dior Sauvage bottle, where this could be magnetic. Sometimes it does fall out very easily. So yeah, but the design, the goldenish and the bluish matching is very unique. I love it. And for the price, for like this small bottle for like 1.7 ounce, you may get it for like 39 or $49. And for something, the double size bottle, maybe you'll get it around 90, depends, around 70 to 90. Depends also which fragrance websites you buy it from. So is it good for modern people, like modern youths? Yes. I would recommend, even if you are going for somewhere like a meeting or anywhere, this is, you can wear it all time. So there is nothing like it will going to offend anybody. So you can wear this all time, all year, because during the winter you get some spiciness, and during the summer you get some freshness, from this perfume, so you can use it on any occasion, any weather. People will love this on you. Obviously it depends on how long it lasts on you. So but very good price value. The perfume you're getting, the juice in it is very strong. I like it. Initially, I thought that if it could last more, this could be a very good perfume, but still it does last 5 to 6 hours or more for me. But yeah, it depends on if you are wearing on your skin or if you are wearing on your clothes. This perfume is very good. Do recommend people buying for the first time, if they want to buy some cheap perfumes but very good one. This is a good perfume of Versace Dylan Blue, created by Alberto Morelos in 2016, and yeah, this is a very nice perfume, guys. So the longevity, and so according to me, I would rate it 3 out of 5, because I wish it could have lasted more. The longevity is okay, is a medium longevity, but the projection is not so versatile, like it doesn't last too long, just maximum 2 to 3 hours. But yeah, the perfume price very good. What you get, the juice in it, obviously is a master creation, and you do get some hint of Dior Sauvage in this perfume. So guys, if you are planning to buy this, I can drop some links where you can buy it at a cheap price, but I do recommend anybody trying to find a new perfume in a medium range, this is a good bottle. Dior, if you like Dior Sauvage, and if you can't buy Dior Sauvage because of the price, you can buy this Versace Dylan Blue, very gorgeous perfume. Thank you guys, signing out.